best indoor cycling bike under $500? Quality bikes can also be dirt cheap and still offer an effective way to work out at home. Today, we have come up with the most anticipated best exercise bike under $500. All the bikes listed are very cautiously hand-picked by our experts after in-depth discussion. So, if you choose from these models, you can be sure that you buy a great product. Number 5. And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product. Number 4.
Get on and go with the SF-B901 belt drive indoor cycling bike. The heavy-duty steel frame construction is strong and durable. 49-pound solid chrome flywheel will spin longer and increase the stability. The handlebars can accommodate different hand positions related to the cycling movements. The belt drive mechanism is virtually silent and smooth. The heavy-duty crank will provide optimal power with every pedal stroke. Adjustable toe cages will keep feet secure and avoid slipping forward. Adjust the resistance with the micro-adjustable tension knob. Push-down brake will safely slow or stop the flywheel. Adjust seat height and move the seat forward or backwards. Get the perfect grip with the adjustable handlebars. Simply tilt and move the bike easily with the high-quality transportation wheels. Commit to get fit today with the SF-B901 indoor cycling bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product. Number 3.
The Marcy XJ3220 Club Trainer Cycle is the next upgrade to your home fitness center. The Club Trainer Cycle helps you burn more calories from fat, increase your stamina, and helps you lose unwanted weight. Target and firm your legs, glutes, and hamstrings while sculpting your entire physique. Increase muscle, tendon, and ligament strength, bone density, and metabolic rate while improving your cardiovascular endurance. Features include a large balanced flywheel for smooth operation and continuous pedaling motion, an easy-to-reach manual resistance adjustment knob that simulates different terrains for a variety of cardio workouts. It has a fully adjustable handlebar, seat post, and seat to accommodate just about any body type and riding style. Adjustable cage pedals fit and securely hold any shoe size. The Club Trainer Cycle can accommodate any user up to 300 pounds. A built-in brake that safely brings the flywheel to a complete stop. When you're done with your workout, the Club Trainer Cycle easily rolls out of the way for convenient storage. And it comes with Marcy's 2-year limited warranty.
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product. Number 2.
You can bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn into your home with the new Schwinn IC3 indoor cycling bike. When harsh weather or a crazy schedule drives your workout inside, just hop on the IC3 for a high-energy, low-impact training experience. The IC3 delivers a 40-pound flywheel, smooth, silent belt drive, and infinite levels of resistance. The ventilated race-style seat and large padded handlebars are designed to adjust vertically and horizontally for a personally customized fit. And dual SPD foot pedals give you the option to use standard toe cages or clips. The IC3 also features a simplified console, plus the extra deep water bottle holder has plenty of room for your smartphone or tablet so you can move to your favorite music, videos, or games. Maximum adjustability, unlimited resistance, outstanding comfort. If you're a serious cyclist looking for serious value, you'll find it in the new Schwinn IC3 indoor cycling bike. Just one more way you can count on Schwinn for the good life.
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product. Number 1.
With the SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike, the solid frame design is strong and sturdy. 40-pound chrome flywheel provides increased stability. The unique handlebar design allows riders to utilize versatile positions with the various grips. The chain drive will give you a smooth, high-quality ride resembling that of an outdoor bike. The heavy-duty crank system makes every pedal stroke seamless and efficient. Pedals are equipped with toe cages to keep foot in position while pedaling. Turn up the resistance with the micro-tension knob. Handbrake will slow or stop the flywheel quickly. Custom fit with the adjustable seat. Get the perfect grip with the adjustable handlebar. High-quality, smooth transportation wheels make it easy to move the bike in and out of the way. Bring out the athlete in you with the SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product.